Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network. Salesforce Administrator Interview Question. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is Introduction to Salesforce, Environment, Account Creation, Document, Application, Object, Tab, Field, Schema Builder, Audit Trial and Login History. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is an approach to provide the following services: SaaS, Software as a Service, PaaS, Platform as a Service, IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a company which provides web-based tool called Salesforce. SaaS, providing sales, marketing, and call center applications as a service. PaaS, providing Forge.com platform in which we can develop Apex programming language similar to Core Java and Visual Force markup language similar to HTML. What is Sales Cloud and life cycle of Sales Cloud? Sales Cloud is a CRM platform designed to support sales marketing. Life cycle of Sales Cloud starts from campaign, pamphlet, mouth to mouth, advertise, events and so many. Then lead converting to account, contact and opportunity. It provides features such as web to lead with auto response rules. What is production? We should not make coding changes in production since end users are using the application from production environment. URL https://login.salesforce.com. What is environment? It is instance of host.com. It is classified into three types: production environment, development environment, testing environment. What is sandbox? To make any changes from the existing application, we should copy all contents of the production into sandbox and make all changes after the test thoroughly. After that, move those changes into production. To create the sandbox in production, we can find one link called sandboxes. By clicking on that link, we can create the sandbox by choosing type of sandbox. URL https://test.salesforce.com. What is addition? Additions is a set of Salesforce features wrapped together. This will specify what set of features are offered by Salesforce on Force.com environment. What is license? License will specify what set of features are offered by the Salesforce to the user. Type of license: every user should have license. Salesforce license, Salesforce platform license, chatter license. What is version? Every year Salesforce releases three versions: winter, spring, summer. How to create account in Salesforce? One email ID is compulsory. Registration URL https://developer.salesforce.com. Click on sign up button and then enter primary details. Finally, click on sign me up button. For activating account, log in to registered email address. Click on verify account button. Set new password and security question for login. Now it will display the lightning page. Company profile. This will specify basic details about our organization like company information, physical year, business hours, holidays, language setting, data protection and privacy, etc. Company information. This will specify complete information about our organization like organization name, primary contacts, user licenses, permission set licenses, feature licenses, use based entitlements. What is folder in Salesforce? It is a standard object created by Salesforce to store documents, files, images, etc. Documents are of two types: internal document, externally available image. Normal document size is 5 MB, 20 KB as logo. Document files are stored to folder. My personal documents is a standard folder created by Salesforce. We can create our own folder. What is app in Salesforce? An app is a group of tabs that work as a unit to provide functionality. It is a logical container for all objects, tabs, process and services associated with a given business function. These are of two types: standard application provided by Salesforce like sales, service, marketing, etc. Custom application app created by user as per business requirement like student underscore underscore C, branch underscore underscore C. What is an object in Salesforce? Objects are database tables. What are different types of objects in Salesforce? Standard object, custom object. Can we delete the standard objects? No. In how many ways we can create an object? Standard, schema builder, metadata, SOAP API, web services. Object fall under which part of MVC model? Can we deploy the object from sandbox to production using change sets? Yes. How many objects can we create in Salesforce? It depends on addition. CRUD permissions on object are controlled by object level security within the Salesforce.com environment is referred to as create, read, update, delete. CRUD access. Can we assign CRUD permissions on object by using permission set? Yes. What is tab? Tabs are interface between user and application. Tab is user interface component to user creates to display custom object data. How many types of tabs are there? Custom objects, create for objects, visual for pages, create to display the visual force page, web, create to display a website, lightning component. What is default on, default of, tab hidden? Tab visibility are default on, default of, tab hidden. Visibility of the tabs is controlled by tab settings specify whether a tab is visible in its associated app. They also determine whether a tab appears in the All Tabs page in Salesforce Classic and whether objects appear in the Lightning experience. App Launcher and navigation menus. Can we deploy profiles and permission sets from sandbox to production in Salesforce? Yes, absolutely. We can deploy profiles and permission sets. What is field? Field is like a custom database column. Object field store data for our records. How many types of fields are there in Salesforce? Standard field, custom field, system field. What is the difference between 15 characters ID and 18 characters ID? 15 character ID is a case sensitive version which is referenced in the Salesforce user interface. 18 character ID is the case insensitive version which is referenced through the APIs. What does the first three characters in the ID indicate? The first three characters of an ID indicate the object type. Example, accounts 001, contacts 003, leads 00Q, etc. These prefixes can never be changed for objects. What are system audit fields? System audit fields in Salesforce are special fields that track information about your records that can be valuable for audit purposes. Typically, these fields include created by ID, created date. What is the difference between created by and owner? It is the user who has created the record. This cannot be changed. It is just a system information to track who created the record. Owner ID defines ownership and is used to give access to the user on the record. What is Schema Builder? Salesforce Schema Builder provides a dynamic surrounding to feature new custom objects, custom fields and relationships to our schema. It is a tool within Salesforce that is used to view and manage objects, fields, and relations between objects in a graphical interface. Schema Builder provides a dynamic environment for viewing and modifying all the objects and relationships in your app. This greatly simplifies the task of designing, implementing, and modifying your data model or schema. Schema Builder is enabled by default. What is Audit Trial in Salesforce? Setup Audit Trial feature is available only for user and admins who have view setup and configuration permissions. We can download our organization's setup audit trial for the last 6 months. What is login history? Login history basically tells about which all the users who log into the org, whether the login is successful or failure, and how they basically log in. Login via browser or login via API. All these information available at login history.